Sure, tape measures have served us well for a long time, but the Crescent Lufkin Gear Drive measuring wheel offers a whole new level of convenience and accuracy. This is the Crescent Lufkin Gear Drive measuring wheel, and it's about to revolutionize the way you measure. This measuring wheel features a centered wheel design for improved balance. Every push gives you a precise measurement, even on uneven surfaces. Need to measure long distances quickly? This little guy is much faster than a traditional tape measure. The Gear Drive technology uses strong gears instead of belts, making it incredibly durable and resistant to wear and tear. Despite its strength, the Crescent Lufkin Gear Drive measuring wheel is extremely lightweight. Take it with you anywhere without feeling weighed down. The ergonomic telescoping handle provides a comfortable grip and allows for compact storage when you're done. The rigid rubber tread keeps this wheel stable and provides control even on rough surfaces like gravel or uneven ground. Revolutionize your tree felling operation with Val Remote, the innovative infrared remote control system that prioritizes safety, productivity, and cost-effectiveness. This eliminates the risk of accidental operation and keeps you away from the moving treetop. It integrates seamlessly with various impact wrenches, allowing you to use the same drive unit on multiple felling wedges. This eliminates the need to work under a potentially unstable tree to reattach a radio wedge. Simply detach the Val Remote from one wedge and attach it to another for continuous felling. It allows for quick transitions between felling wedges, maximizing your efficiency. Val Remote prioritizes safety with infrared activation, allowing you to work from a safe distance, and its compatibility with various impact wrenches lets you seamlessly transition between felling wedges without ever needing to be under a moving treetop. Val Remote eliminates the need for expensive radio modules on each felling wedge. You invest in a single, powerful drive unit compatible with multiple wedges, saving significant money. Are you a stone fabricator looking to take your countertop creations to the next level? Look no further than the Rais Stone Granite Profile Router Machine. This powerhouse tool is designed to tackle even the most complex curves and shapes, transforming your vision into stunning reality. Its industrial-grade 2200-watt motor delivers the muscle you need to handle even the toughest granite and stone materials, while the single-speed design allows you to switch between stock removal and intricate polishing with ease. The advanced belt drive technology eliminates slippage, ensuring consistent power transfer and a flawless finish, all while the Hydro Float design allows the machine to glide effortlessly across the stone surface on a thin film of water, protecting your valuable materials from scratches. This user-friendly machine prioritizes both precision and ease of use, making it the perfect tool to elevate your stone fabrication skills and produce countertops that will leave a lasting impression. Forget bulky tape measures and frustrating misreadings. The Neo Ruler Go is here to revolutionize the way you measure, offering unparalleled precision, convenience, and versatility in a pocket-friendly package. With +1 mm precision, Neo Ruler Go tackles straight lines, curves, and even irregular shapes with ease. Its multiple built-in scales, millimeters, centimeters, inches, feet, and more, ensure you have the right tool for any job, all in a compact and user-friendly design. Integrated laser technology ensures perfect starting points and eliminates parallax errors, giving you confidence in your measurements. The Neo Ruler Go seamlessly connects to the Mizor app, allowing you to store, transfer, and organize your data electronically. It fits comfortably in your pocket or toolbox, making it your go-to measuring tool for any situation. Marking has never been easier. The Neo Ruler Go comes with a complimentary Neo Pencil, a sustainable and refillable marking tool that eliminates the need for constantly replacing pencils or pens. The Neo Ruler Go is more than just a ruler. It's a complete measuring ecosystem that empowers you to take on any project with confidence. Imagine capturing a 3D replica of any object in seconds with stunning detail and professional-grade accuracy. That's the magic of the Rtech Leo, the world's first wireless and AI-driven 3D scanner. The Rtech Leo offers unparalleled freedom and ease of use with its completely wireless design. No cables or cords hold you back. Take Leo anywhere, scan anything, and unleash your creativity. Cutting-edge AI algorithms ensure precise 3D data capture every time, while the built-in 5-inch HD display provides real-time feedback so you can monitor progress and capture every detail. The Leo is intuitive to operate with a powerful NVIDIA Jetson TX2 processor for real-time processing and high-quality data capture, and a built-in battery for on-the-go scanning. With its intuitive touchscreen and wireless operation, you can scan objects in high detail and see the 3D model in real time. It's perfect for product design, quality control, and even virtual reality applications. The Rtech Leo is more than just a scanner. It's a gateway to a world of 3D possibilities. So there you have it, 5 mind-blowing tools that are changing the game in their respective fields. What do you think? Are any of these tools a game changer for you? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.